U sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela uba Preston Tingsong, ha ke jinga krench kilat pathai khubor, menta ke singi ke arpulai terik u jeliu arja arpusan, ula pentip bahadien maki pulit ke SIT, kila yo ban kren saya kila ingut ki badan keti ha ke jingsha penyap u Raja Raghuvanshi, na indur unsawan yalam shishilong hakini ki khindiat singi ki banwan na kabenta ban tokit khambania banlap ya ke
Yes,
jingshisha.
the investigation is still on. I think you all are aware. I think you know better than me too, because I've already requested SP concerned to update the investigation. And right now, I think, as you are aware, that now the court has already granted judicial judicial custody to all those five people, and now the investigation is still on. So let us wait and see. Again, another two and one more, which was just arrested. Again, maybe one more person. Three of them will be again transferred to Shillong for the detailed investigation.
Is the Logendra Tomar, is he the one, the third one?
Yes, he's one of them. Three of them are there. There are three of them. Of course, the detail I don't have, but three of them. So within a few days from now, they'll be brought to Shillong for further investigation, because it is found that they are linked to this killing of late Raja.
So it goes beyond the motive of love angle.
That we are yet to come to any conclusion. Let us see from all angles. I'm not talking only for the love angle, but even beyond that. So right now I can't say anything. So let the investigation be completed, and once that is done, I think the truth will come out as it is.
So US government has asked its citizens not to visit me.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.